Have you ever wondered why the earth smells so pleasant when it rains? That fresh, clean scent is called petrichor. It's a combination of oils released by plants, bacteria, and ozone that are trapped in the soil. When rain hits the ground, these compounds are released into the air, creating that wonderful smell we all love. So next time you take a deep breath during a rain shower, remember you're actually smelling the magic of nature at work. 3D printers are like magic. They create objects layer by layer from a digital design. First, the printer heats up plastic filament, then moves it around precisely to build the object. It's like a high-tech glue gun. The possibilities are endless, from toys to tools, even prosthetic limbs. Just imagine, you can bring your ideas to life with a 3D printer. It's innovation at your fingertips. Ever wondered how a ball pen works? Well, let me break it down for you. Inside the pen, there's a tiny ball at the tip that rotates as you write, picking up ink from the reservoir. The ball then transfers the ink onto the paper, creating smooth lines. The ink is specially formulated to flow evenly, ensuring a consistent writing experience. So, next time you jot down a note, remember, it's all thanks to that little ball doing its magic. Ever wondered how a filament bulb works? Well, let me shed some light on it for you. Inside the bulb, there's a thin wire called a filament. When electricity flows through it, the filament heats up and glows, producing light. The glass bulb protects the filament from oxygen, which would make it burn out. So, next time you flip that switch, remember it's the magic of a glowing hot wire that's brightening up your day. Have you ever wondered why leaves are green? Well, let me enlighten you. It all boils down to a pigment called chlorophyll. This green pigment is like the superhero of the plant world, responsible for capturing sunlight and turning it into energy through a process called photosynthesis. You see, leaves are like tiny solar panels, soaking up sunlight to produce food for the plant. But why green? Chlorophyll absorbs red and blue light, but reflects green light, giving leaves their vibrant color. It's nature's way of maximizing energy absorption. So, the next time you admire a lush green forest or a garden full of life, remember that it's all thanks to the incredible power of chlorophyll. Leaves may be green, but they're truly the lifeblood of our planet. Ever wondered why blood is red? Well, let me break it down for you. Our blood gets its vibrant red color from a protein called hemoglobin. This incredible molecule contains iron, which binds to oxygen in our lungs and carries it throughout our body. When oxygen is bound to hemoglobin, it gives blood that bright red hue. But here's the cool part. When oxygen is released to our tissues, blood turns a darker shade of red. That's why veins appear blue. It's just a trick of the light. So, next time you see that crimson liquid, remember it's all thanks to hemoglobin working its magic. Our bodies are truly fascinating, don't you think? Water is colorless because it absorbs very little light. When light passes through water, it doesn't get scattered or absorbed much, so it appears clear. Unlike colored liquids that absorb certain wavelengths of light, water lets most light pass through, making it look colorless. So, next time you see water, remember, its transparency is what makes it seem like it has no color at all. Ever wondered why milk is white? Well, here's the scoop. Milk contains a protein called casein, which scatters and reflects light, giving it that classic white color. Additionally, milk also contains fat globules that further contribute to its opaque appearance. So next time you pour yourself a glass of milk, remember, it's all about the science behind the color. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know your thoughts. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content you love. So, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and let's keep this awesome journey going together. See you in the next one.